Well, there's good news for West Virginians who received unemployment benefits last year. Governor Justice signed into law a bill that would exempt $10,200 from benefits in taxes. So what happens if you've already filed? West Virginia Tonight's Larissa Casillas joins us from Workforce West Virginia to explain. Larissa.
Well, thousands more West Virginians applied for unemployment benefits in 2020 because of the pandemic. President Biden first exempted $10,200 in benefits from federal taxes, and now West Virginia and other states have matched that.
Take a seat back here.
It's been a busy tax season at this AARP tax preparation site in South Charleston.
We're over 1,000. We're approaching 1,100 returns that we've done.
AARP Tax Aid District Coordinator Steve Wellen says due to COVID-19, they had people drop off their forms while tax preparers worked on them from home. Another change is the new unemployment benefit exemption, which will not tax the first $10,200. Those who already filed their returns will have to amend their state tax return, which Wellen says is going to be an extra hassle for tax preparers.
To me, it seems like it'd be much more efficient if the tax department for West Virginia can do basically a software fix and amend these returns and send people their refunds back.
Delegate Kayla Young of Kanawha County worked on the bill with the governor. She says there's another option available.
If you have filed your taxes, you'll have to go onto the West Virginia State Tax Department website. They have a whole site set up where you can fill out the form. It's going to look just like your normal state return looks, and at the top you'll just click amended return instead of new return.
Young says the bill is very exciting.
We didn't think West Virginia was going to be one of the states that does that. West Virginia is one of only a few states that even taxes unemployment income as income in the first place.
Wellen says people need the money.
These people that have this unemployment, typically they were already kind of hard times financially, and they really need, or can really use that money that they would get back.
And if you filed already through a third-party software, you don't have to go directly through them to amend that state return. You can do it directly on the state website. Live in Charleston, Larissa Casillas, West Virginia Tonight.
Larissa, thank you.